Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? Well, I'm back to work after being sick again, but oh well, it is what it is. So we are on Mr. Bill's 69 XR7, and it's so beautiful. I love this car so much. I can't wait to see it finished with us having it done, and then the convertible top people. We're shipping out some parts to be re-chromed. So we're having the front bumper and the rear bumper redone and the bumperettes. So I'm hoping that they can find a way to salvage this, get it off in one piece, and either put it on a little placard that he can keep or put it back on the bumper if that's what Bill wants. I don't know. But I do. I just think this is absolutely one of the coolest things because I'm a military man, so our military guys I respect 100%. So we'll do the front bumper today. We're going to do the rear bumper today. And I mean, as you can tell, it's just, unfortunately, it's 55 years of age. So, I mean, it's time to send it out and make it right and make it look good for the client. Now, I don't know if we're taking all of the chrome off and stuff like that, or if we're just doing specific pieces. I'll have to get a hold of the client and find out. Because, I mean, like, there's little pieces here that would need to come out and, you know, screws and get all this stuff repolished and cleaned like it's supposed to be. You know, the rear pieces here, which you can see some pitting going all the way across. I mean, some areas you just run your fingers over it and it's perfectly fine. Then other areas it's pitted to, like this back center piece isn't real bad, but it could definitely go for a good cleanup. And then the side pieces, both sides are really, really bad. I mean, it's just one of those that it is what it is. I don't know if we're doing like the door trim and the handles and shipping that out, stuff like that, or if we're gonna send these out as well. Now, granted, this is just a really good polished aluminum, which we could probably do in-house if needed. Not a big deal. I mean, we've got the buffer in the compounds and stuff like that to polish them up and put a little bit of sandpaper. So yeah, we'll get a hold of the client and go from there, you know, and see if we're gonna do the wheel well trim as well. Because I mean, it's, come on, focus. Come on, why is it not focusing today? So, but either way, I mean, we can tell there's a few things that need to be done. And I'd like to ship these out as well and get those done. So we'll get a hold of the client and go from there. But I mean, now that you can really see, the bumper's got some issues. But I can't wait to have this car finished. It's gonna look so nice for the client. So nice. And maybe we'll talk about getting the insignias and stuff like that shipped out as well. I don't know, I might maybe be able to get these polished up and cleaned because it doesn't appear to have any major issues. But we'll see how today goes because it is raining, so I get to work inside. Yay! Big, huge, oh my God. Yeah, so we're good. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, have a great day.